Hello guys, good morning and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm actually giving you an update. If you're actually in a particular section of the world and you want to access a particular website but you are not being allowed, well, VPN can actually do that magic for you. With VPN you can actually access any type of website you want to access from any part of the world. But what if you don't have the money to pay for this high price VPN? Some of them are very cheap, but some of them are very high. What if you don't have the money to pay for all those things? Well, that is the main reason I'm actually bringing this update for you. I'll be sharing 3 VPN I've tested and they are working just fine. You know, one thing with VPN is actually not about you getting the free VPN. It's about you getting the ones that will not slow down your internet, because some of them, once you are connected to the VPN, it slows down the internet. Okay, you accessing website becomes very slow. But these 3 VPN I'm actually going to share with you does not do that. Another thing with all these free VPN, even though they are premium, is that when you are connected to them, sometimes they will disconnect you automatically. Okay, these 3 VPN I'm going to share with you does not actually do that. And even in these 3 VPN I'm going to share with you, I still have one that's outperform all of them. The 3 are very nice, but I still have one that outperform all of them. So I'll be sharing the 3 VPN with you. So the first one I'll be sharing with you is Rapid VPN. All you need to do is to go to Google Play Store, search for Rapid VPN. You can see I've already installed it. You can see this is Rapid VPN. It's already installed. Search for Rapid VPN and install it. Use it. The only thing that does is add, which is normal. If you are actually using free something, for them to recover at least something from your usage is through ad. So all you need to do is to click install it. Once you click and install it, before you connect, you notice there will be a pop-up ad. You can close the ad or you can allow it to run. Then you click on connect. Okay, when you click on connect, it is going to actually come up with a trial version that you should try their VPN. Some say 3 days, some say 7 days. Don't click on trial, just close that interface and so you can connect. Let me show you. You can see it is already in, so that is why it's showing open. In your own case, you are going to see install. Okay, so you can see it is showing trial version. Okay, you can see, just close it, tap on this to connect. You can see I'm connected to United States. Okay, so if you once you are connected, you are going to close this ad. Okay, in my case, I will close the ad. Okay, I always like closing the ad. So now if you try your browser, you can see it is verified. It's not going to affect anything. Then the second one is Thunder VPN. If you go back to that, let me disconnect. Yes, I want to disconnect. You can see I've been disconnected. Now let me go back to Play Store and search for Thunder VPN. Okay, open it. You can see this one is even cheaper, 7,000 naira per year. You can subscribe, but I'm not actually going to subscribe. All I need is to close it. Okay, once you close it, click on connect. Okay, you can see now if you go to browse, you notice that everything is working just fine. Okay, you can see everything is working just fine. So the last one is VPNify. Okay, that is my favorite. Okay, let me go to VPNify. So let me search for VPNify. Okay, okay, you can see it is already installed, so I'm going to open it. I'm I'm going to connect. Once you are connected, all you need to do is to try your browser. You notice that everything is just working just fine. Okay, very fast, everything. So if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, subscribe, because I'm updating you with newest updates. Okay, and if it is on Facebook, you are following me, or you click the follow button. No, because I'm uploading new updates that actually help you to save money, like image generator, video creation, free tools, another thing that you actually need. So follow. Thank you.